Now I'm going to do for long hair model, maintain the length and create like a reverse triangle on the outline. So you can see there's a lovely color on the hair. So we try to maintain the length, but change slightly bits on the outline. If you touch the front, like twist your ankle, look like a round shape. Check the length. Check the balance. Pull to the side, cut square, and check the balance. Again, see it's okay, and start to the back. Because the model's hair was really heavy, so you need to divide to 2 or 3 sections. So what I'm doing, I'm just check for the horseshoe section on the top. First section here. Click it. Second section is see here. And this is going to be our outline. So we already judged the length from the side. So imagine that we're going to do a slightly triangular outline from 2 sides. So here is your guideline. Start from your guideline. And remember, we just cut like 2 inches off. So like this much. Slightly tension to the left. Cut it, square. Now check the balance. If it's okay, continue to the next section. Now you can really see the shape a bit more clear. Now comb the hair a bit more. See the natural folds, no tension. A little bit more. So connect it. Okay, already finished this side. Exactly the same thing on the other side. And you can divide it to two beads. 2 beads and cut a reverse triangle. It's really simple. So once you divide to the section, you can really see how you're going to cut. Now again, no tension, natural fold. Check the outline. And now we finish the haircut. You can see the hair was balanced and the shape is slightly more like reverse triangle. And we swing the hair. And we step back from the side. And we can see we shape the model's body's shape. So it will look more slimmer. And instead of emphasize the shoulder, you can slit more from the shoulder side. Now we are going to do the fringe area. And you can see this pink highlight. I want to maintain more from the top, so we just divide it from the temple area. And we comb the rest of the hair behind the ear. The reason why we maintain the length from the side is it can be more slim from the face and from this cheekbone. If you see many people, they have like really thick cheekbone here. Most of them, they want to reshape again from this side area. So when we do the fringe area, we have to try to maintain more length from the side instead of cut more. And just follow her natural hair growth. But from here, it's more like round. So we can divide the fringe area and we can continue our cutting. And when we do the fringe, you have to imagine how much we're going to cut. So we can use our comb to measure. Is it just on the eyebrow or over the eyebrow or just above the eyebrow? And now we can see we don't need to cut too much here, since you can see the hair was jumpy. So we do just over the eyebrow. Slightly tension. Not too much. Let's see these bits. Now we already processed to the side. And remember, we have to create a round shape here. So we're going to use a technique like slicing. So it's easy to create a round shape instead of a really hard cutting line. So we have to angle our scissors and slice to the back. We maintain more length from here. And here, it's begin to the temple area. Remember, we have to cut the round line, so angle, slightly angle, slicing technique. And we stand from the front and check the length. Okay, now we finish the haircut almost. We have to judge how much. You can see the hair was quite heavy, so I'm going to reduce the weight. Now from the ends, see anywhere you see it's heavy, you can use this technique. Comb the hair, less tension, reduce the weight. Just reduce the weight. And now we're going to use the second technique. It's called bridge cut. We use the scissors and use it like we cut a round shape. Just anywhere you see it's heavier, just reduce the weight. Cut from the middle, bridge cut. From the back, the same length but less weight. The reason why we collect from the top, because the hair texture, you can see is a crosshair. Do more from the front or from the top. It's not going to suit her. We just do from inside. And I'm going to do one more section just in the middle. The same technique, do exactly the same thing. Just do in the middle. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5 section. And we shake the hair, more movement. You see, the hair was anywhere you see heavier, you can use this technique. So we just do the back area. The side, we're going to keep the weight. We lose more weight on the back. Bridge cut to reduce the weight and create more movement. Then haircut was finished.